So basically, how you can navigate to SAM is basically if you go to My Dashboards and then the applications, under the applications, whatever you see is something related to SAM. Okay, so
Applications. Okay.
yeah,
So dashboard
application,
and application.
My Dashboards applications is will take you to the SAM pages.
Okay.
Okay, uh, you see the all applications tab on the left side. So
Yes.
these are all the applications that are currently assigned to our nodes in SolarWinds. Okay, the all applications.
Okay.
Okay, so the prerequisites for anything to uh, extend your monitoring to SAM is using the node should be added to NPM.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
the main prerequisite if you want to use SAM is first the node should be added using SNMP or WMI or SolarWinds agent within npm, and then you can make use of this SAM to actually extend the services. Like let's say you might have added your Windows server in npm, then npm by default collects CPU memory, that information, and if you want to do some monitoring of related to services related to the application, then you have to make use of SAM. If you want to write any script and then you want to monitor or alert on that script output, then you can make use of SAM. Like
Okay.
that, we have many out of the box templates provided by SolarWinds itself within this SAM. So just go to manage applications, and
So if something is not listing in that list means that application we are not currently monitoring.
if see there are multiple places you are you can check those, here. And even if you go to manage applications, which will redirect to this page, here you see the first tab assigned application monitors. If you change it to group by, called change it to group by with a node name, here as well you can see on which all servers whatever SAM application is being monitored.
What did you say there? Assigned application monitors, node name.
Assign, if you group it by node name or whatever you
Uh-huh.
feel that suits you, I just grouped
Uh-huh.
it by node name. And on this Windows server, and on this Windows server, this application template is being monitored.
Okay. This application template is,
Is being
what did you
monitored.
say? Okay. Okay.
Okay, so we'll see. So this is one place, and in the SAM summary also you can find out the list of all applications. Okay,
Okay.
so there are by default, if you click on application monitor templates, there are by default 342 templates provided by SolarWinds itself. Okay, you can, I mean, for different purpose, you can just search for, let's say, you want to monitor a process on a Linux. There is something called process or Apache. We'll look at the process one. We'll ignore it for now. Apache related templates, Active Directory ones, certificate monitor one is one template that is provided by SolarWinds. Databases, Oracle database monitoring. These templates are provided. Like this, you have many. You can just explore these options. The some templates that you want to make a note is the ones that start with name called App Insight. Okay, there are four App Insight templates by default provided by SolarWinds. One is for Active Directory monitoring, which you can simply select the server and assign it to your Active Directory nodes. When you assign this template, these template have by default almost everything that collects from the Active Directory for monitoring. Similarly, you have App Insight for Exchange. Exchange is nothing
Okay.
but mailbox. You can assign this template on your email box servers. IIS is nothing but on any Windows server where IIS installed, you can assign this template. App Insight for SQL is for SQL databases. These App Insight templates are very widely used or almost used by many customers where you can assign it to your servers where the specific application like Active Directory, SQL Exchange is being hosted and then collect majority of the monitoring information. Okay. So these templates are very much useful when you are configuring SAM because yeah, I mean it gains you don't need to do or you don't need to create a new template for each and every part within the database. You can simply assign this inside to this database and gather the information. Okay. So this with respect to the out of the box one. Now let's
So one question, Chandra.
yeah.
In the assigned application monitors, there we will in that tab what we will do.
In this tab, we can see what are all the different applications. When I say application in SolarWinds terminology is a SAM template.
Can you come again?
In SolarWinds terminology,
Mhm.
application is nothing but a SAM template. This Active
Okay.
Directory. So
Okay.
each one is a SAM is an application according to SolarWinds. So this one is an application. This is an application. This is an application. Okay, so these SAM templates, whatever you have assigned to a node that is added in npm will be seen in the assigned application monitors.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so I'll just show you how to create a new template. Ah, so when you click on create a new template, you'll be redirected to this page. Okay, here you can give your template name. This template, which is called SolarWinds Agent Linux, is also known as application. SolarWinds Agent hyphen under Linux is also known as application. And when you assign this to a node, according to SolarWinds, you can find those in all application summary here. Okay, make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
So this
So
template
when we assign it to nodes,
node
it will be
it is called as an application.
okay.
So when you click on create new template, here you have to give you'll be redirected to this page, and here you have to give the alt is disabled in demo. Okay. Here you just have to give the template name. It can be anything. Let's say we'll give it as Linux, or we'll say Windows Service Monitor. you forgot about these things for now because these things are visible because the earlier template that was assigned on these nodes, so that's why it is not showing. When you create a new template, this will not be appeared for you. So, and then you can give the description, and the polling frequency is 300 seconds. Mean this template will poll for every 5 minutes. Okay, that's what we have by default. These things have 5 minutes. All the SAM templates will have 5 minutes. Some will have 15 minutes, depending upon by default they'll have 15 minutes. Those app inside ones, but these ones will have 5 minutes. You can change it as well if you need it, but the recommendation from SolarWinds is to have it for 5 minutes. Okay, so
Okay.
this is a template or application name, and you see that you see this here. This is called component in SolarWinds. Okay, this is called component in SolarWinds. You can okay. So let's try to uninstall SolarWinds and try to install it again today because these will kick off for the complete uninstallation of SolarWinds. And now we'll try to download the new 30 days trial one and make use of few things. So I'll just stop the recording, and maybe once we start the session we can